Hello everyone, this video is going to be on how you can install SSL certificate in your web hosting server. If you don't know what is SSL, you can check my previous video, the link will be in description. Here if I try to access one of my website using HTTPS, it says this site can't provide me secure connection. To fix this, you have to go to your web hosting dashboard. In my case, it's FeroHost. FeroHost is free web hosting service provided by me. So if you want to host your website for free, do check it out. The video link will be in description. In your web hosting dashboard, you have to look for option that says SSL and then configure it. Now to install SSL certificate, you will need two things. One will be private key and another will be certificate. To obtain these things, you need a tool called Certbot. It is available for Linux. I am using Windows subsystem for Linux to create a certificate. You can use any Linux OS. And then you have to install Certbot. Commands to install Certbot will be provided in description, or at least I will leave a link to Certbot documentation. Now you have to replace domain name in this command and run it. To run this, you will need root access. Now it will ask you to verify domain using DNS challenge. To do this, you will need access to domain provider. In my case, I have already added my domain to Cloudflare, so I'll use Cloudflare. Here you have to add one text record. Do as I do now. You just need to copy and paste two values. Alright, now just save it. After making changes, you might have to wait for a few minutes. To see if DNS record is reflected in your domain, you can go to the URL provided by Certbot and check if recently added text record is shown there. Here you can see that we just added one value and it is reflected over there. So now you can just hit enter to continue. Now our certificate is generated along with private key and certificate itself. Next, we just have to copy and paste this value in our web hosting service. So let's go to the directory where our certificate is created. If you list files, you can see I have many files including certificate and private key. You can use cat command to view it. If I just type cat private key.pem, then it will show me the private key, and then I just have to copy and paste it to the hosting. You have to copy from begin private key to the end private key, and it will be same for the certificate as well. After uploading certificate, if you got no error, then congratulations, certificate is installed in your server. Now it may take around 15 to 20 minutes to fully reflect it in your domain. So don't worry if you don't see HTTPS instantly. If you want, you may delete the record we added in domain provider. I waited for around 20 minutes and now my website is secure. If I check its certificate, It says it's issued by Let's Encrypt. Now I know some of you might be thinking why I didn't use Cloudflare to show HTTPS in my domain. So I'll be using that as well. With this, I have end-to-end encryption from client to Cloudflare and from Cloudflare to the server. Thank you for watching my video. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.